Hi guys, welcome to the vlog. Ayan, what's up guys? This is again recording this as a time capsule for my future self and also, to post some YouTube videos. Hi again, hello. Kamusta kayo? Sana maging okay kayo sa mga inyong mga buhay. At the same time, magaganda at gwapo pa rin kayo. Okay. So, hear me out, no? Uh, I don't Di ko alam kung anong gusto ko sa buhay ko. And whatever it is, kung ano man yung gusto ko sa buhay ko is something like hindi ko siya napag-isipan mabuti or kaya I'm distracting myself from all other distractions in this on what I have. Pero kinda looking back sa ginagawa ko or like doing what I'm trying to do, being consistent on certain things like going to gym, journal, sleeping, eating or whatsoever is kind of makes me feel like I'm at peace. Like I'm at peace with myself. Peace, like yung peace sign with myself that I'm trying so hard talaga to really just be on that moment na akala ko for me na akala ko maging masaya ako pero hindi pala, pero being here in the present makes me really relieve myself from the stress, like yeah, knowing na bago akong ligo or kaya parang bagong talagang ah, chapter bagong chapter na naman, like for this week finals na. Actually today is May 8 May 19, 2025, 5:23 p.m. and this Wednesday is my finals of majors ko, Tears of Personality. So parang, and seeing doing this and recording this as a parang rant lang naman na talagang I feel so peace with myself kasi I'm starting to see that I really want what's happening in my life, pero at the same time I really want to know ano ba yung gusto ko, ano ba yung dapat kong i-goal, like dapat kong talagang i-pursue, like how, like the thought na other people have figured it out what they want, and what I see is that hindi ko na nako-compare yung sarili ko, or kaya what I realize is that yung mindset ko na parang okay, meron silang ganun, okay, andun ako, okay, narinig ko sila, okay, nakikita ko yung ano meron sila, pero ako ano yung meron ako, like I'm so yung in my feeling, in this chest feeling na I'm so behind. Talaga, so behind ako. I acknowledge na sobrang behind ako. I acknowledge na I supposed to be graduating. I supposed to have a girlfriend. I supposed to have this and that. Pero I supposed to have the ideal na Algin San Jose, which is you're seeing right now from all the past videos that I'm posting here sa YouTube, is I should have gone far enough for me to have that sense of potential in me. Pero hindi ko na siya nakakamtan because of, you know, it's just a feeling, like yung mood swings kumbaga. Like, I'm doing this kasi gusto ko eh. I really want it. I really want to express myself towards you guys or kaya kung sino man makakanood neto, pero ang saya eh. Like parang sobrang, what I'm trying to say is I want to sit back, write down what I want. What I want is to go to Canada. What I want is to have a sariling building. What I want in life is that sariling family. Mga ganun. Or ewan ko, like I just don't know, hindi ko alam kung ano yung feeling na dapat ko i-feeling, pero may sense of drive ako na parang meron akong sense of drive, like people in my head, like I was like na parang what am I trying to say or do or try to do things that will help me towards that goal. Kasi ang dami kong gusto. I want a PC or kaya I want a laptop. I want games. I want people. I want people to know the real me. But at the same time, I don't want to be vulnerable enough to see the side of me that was imperfect or is fat boy or kaya selfish lang. And and yung idea lang ng walang pakialam talaga na parang mentality na people have na minding their own business, like it kind of hits in the right in the feels in my heart that really want that essence of having to be joyful or happiness and not knowing na parang malapit na eh. Ramdam ko na. Basta nararamdaman ko na gusto ko na makuha yung dapat kong gustong gawin. Gusto ko na makuha yung dapat para sa akin. Kasi, di ko na sinasabi na, I'm not saying that nasawa ako sa anong buhay ko ngayon. What I'm saying is that, gusto ko yung, gusto kong, I want to figure it out. I want to practice certain things that will help me to achieve my goals. I want to practice the small things muna para lang makuha ko yung mga dapat kong gawin or dapat kong mga steps. But I'm happy. I'm happy right now. I'm happy to the point na okay, meron silang ganyan. Okay, nakikita ko na meron silang ganyan-ganyan. Pero I'm very happy kasi buhay. Kasi not saying na dapat buhay ako, pero parang I'm very happy to express myself. I'm very joyful kasi nakikihit nakita nyo naman ako from all my previous videos here in YouTube, like I'm just so relaxed. So relaxed kasi nasabi ko to via vlog or whatnot. And at the same time, it's kind of relieve my stress to the uncertainties sa future ko, sa buhay ko. And napaisip na lang ako kung kapag nandun na ako, what now? Kapag nandun na ako, ano meron? Pero I'm very in the moment, in the zone, in the present moment in me na grabe, like ako to eh. Shit boy, hindi na shit boy ako or kaya hindi like hindi ang saya-saya ko. And I'm looking forward for that day na I have friends. I have the kind of community that I want or that I have. But now I'm starting to see na if I truly want to be myself, how bad can I be? Again, thank you for listening. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night.